Hi everybody, I'm Mike Dickinson with MarineMax Clearwater, and today we're going to take a quick peek at the Sea Ray 400 Fly. Starting on the transom, you'll see this boat comes equipped with the extended swim platform and underwater lights, as well as the transom grill. Moving into the cockpit, you can see that the doors have been completely opened. Gives the cockpit a much more open, larger feel. Brings the outside and the inside together. As you'll see, this boat is a galley up boat. Moving up to the helm, this boat's equipped with twin Raymarine G-Series screens. And this boat is equipped with the Cummins 480 horsepower joystick docking. Moving downstairs, this boat is standard equipped with the portside day head. On the starboard side, this particular boat is optioned with the third bed. Coming out of the mid cabin and into the master suite, this particular boat is equipped with the second head in the master suite. Moving up to the bridge here, you can see that this boat is very massive on the Flybridge, has a large teak table and seating that opens up. And then the Flybridge helm is duplicated the exact same way as it is downstairs. If you have any more questions about this boat or any other boat in our inventory, please give me a call at 931-217-4419. or please call the store at 727-536-2628.